Hello guys, welcome back to Take It Easy. So today we're going to be taking a look at possibly one of my favourite purchases of 2020, the Corsair Virtuoso headset, specifically the Special Edition. Now if you do find the video helpful, please do leave a like and a comment, and subscribe for all the latest tech news and reviews. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now it's no secret that I am a huge Corsair fan, so it made sense to grab one of their latest and greatest gaming headsets. So these come in 3 different versions. You get the choice of black or white, and then the Special Edition, which I have here, which comes in that gorgeous gunmetal finish. It is slightly more expensive, so do bear that in mind. I especially like the gunmetal version purely because it makes the headset a little bit more suitable for a professional working environment, as well as use for gaming. So taking a look inside the box now with the help of my glamorous assistant, who recorded this unboxing for me while I was working. So you're greeted with this really fresh looking gunmetal finish, with lots of protective packaging to remove. Then sitting behind it there you can see the carry pouch. I thought this was a great idea from Corsair because you can still connect these headphones to some mobile devices, or some of the older ones, if they have an audio jack with the audio lead provided. So the quality of the carry case sits in line with the quality of the headset and has this really nice magnetic clasp on it and a really nice finish to the fabric there. All feels really premium. Now as an extra treat for us, Corsair left us some really satisfying stickers to peel off. Enjoy. If there ever was a good time to hit the subscribe button, it would be now. So once you open the box, you can see the high standard is carried across the accessories, such as the gunmetal finish and those knurled edges there. It gives it a really nice texture. Everything feels like it's got a bit of weight to it, and it feels really durable, and you can really feel that Corsair put a lot of thought into this product. So included in the box is that audio lead that I mentioned, then a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as that detachable microphone, and then that 7.1 surround sound USB dongle. So that pretty much wraps it up for what's inside the box. Some great quality items and accessories in here. The build quality is absolutely exceptional. Corsair have done a great job with this. So let's take a closer look at the headset and some of its features. So a couple of key features to mention first, which come on both the standard and SE version of the headset, is that 7.1 surround sound, and then a really neat smart sleep and wake feature, where an internal accelerometer automatically shuts your headset down and then powers it back on when you need to use it. This really helps with the battery life, which also brings me on to the next big feature, which is a huge 20 hours of battery life, which is more than enough for long gaming sessions. But if you weren't planning on leaving your gaming chair for a few days, then you can always just plug in the USB charger cable included and play with the headset in its USB mode while it's charging. But for most people, charging the headset in between play sessions should be more than enough, and you won't really notice that you're charging it. Lastly, of course, the Virtuoso comes with the Corsair's ICUE technology, allowing you to change the colours of the Corsair logo on the sides of the ear cups and sync with the rest of your Corsair peripherals. But on this one, as well as controlling the colours, you can also switch between surround sound and stereo mode, as well as a few different audio presets such as bass boost and FPS gaming, which will enhance sound effects such as footsteps and gunfire. Now there are a few exclusive features that the Special Edition has, which include the obvious machined aluminum finish, or aluminium if you're in the UK, and then the 9.55mm broadcast grade detachable microphone, which I'll do a quick test on towards the end of the video for you. Lastly, the carry pouch you saw at the beginning is an exclusive accessory to the SE version. So one of the most noticeable things other than the finish is the sound quality. The Virtuoso comes with a pair of 50mm high density neodymium drivers with a frequency range of between 20Hz all the way up to 40,000 Hz, which is actually double than what you get out of most headphones. For comparison, the SteelSeries Arctis 3s that I did a review on last month have a range of between 20 and 20,000 Hz, which is about half the Virtuoso. This is great, but if I was to say one thing, I feel the headphones could be a little bit louder. For me personally, they are fine, but I know some people will probably complain about that. If you were wondering how they feel during a long gaming session, I can say with confidence that they are extremely comfy. It has a really nice lightweight frame, the ear cups swivel to help fit your head better, and then you have the really nice premium memory foam ear pads, which feel absolutely amazing. Lastly, you may have noticed the clear indicators on the side, to find the perfect height adjustment for your head. So before we round things up, let's do a quick microphone test. I won't edit the audio in any way, so you can feel what it's actually going to sound like in a real gaming environment. So this is a microphone test for the Corsair Virtuoso SE. It has a microphone frequency response of 100 Hz to 10,000 kHz. The microphone is an omnidirectional and has a microphone sensitivity of -42 decibels to -2 decibels. Background noise isn't too bad, however I have got the window open and I am picking up some noise from outside, so there's a good little test for you there. Okay, so that was the microphone test, and now I think it's time to round things up. So these will set you back about £180 or $210 if you're in the US for the SE gunmetal version, or £159 for the regular carbon or white editions. The thing that gets me most excited about this headset is the build quality and just how good they look. So I think it's definitely worth splashing out on the SE version for the sake of an extra £20 or $30. Even if you have a theme setup, the gunmetal finish will fit in with pretty much anything, even a white setup. It has this really nice balance between that gamery look, but also something you can use in a more professional environment, such as work. So a lot of things need to be considered before you can go around and say that something is the best, but I strongly believe that all the features and the price point of this headset really do make it a strong contender for the best headset of 2020. Yes, there are headsets with much higher specs out there, but they also come with a much higher price. So in my opinion, this sits at that sort of sweet spot where you get a lot for your money. Let me know in the comments section what you think. I know a lot of other people have put out really positive reviews about this headset. I really do have no complaints about this at all. I think it's a really great piece of kit. If you were wanting to buy some, I'll leave some links down in the description, so do check the prices. They may have come down since I've released this video. But yeah, for now, that actually wraps the video up. Please do join the Discord server I've just set up. I'm trying to sort of build a community where you can have your input and say on what comes next on the channel. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one.